Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Syn, and this is Life with Syn. Today in this vlog, we are getting ready to start repairing the fence from all the tornado damage over the last year and a half. When supplies were low, we couldn't get it. Now supplies are back in stock, and so we racked up and was able to complete one side of our fence at the moment. So yeah, just stay tuned if you are interested in seeing what we did and how we repaired the old rotted fence and missing boards in this vlog. This is going to be a series, and you guys will probably see the finished patio backyard makeover by the end of summer. So here we went to Home Depot. We got all the supplies that we needed to get, and then we came back and started our process. Now, this was not hard. We had to do a little bit of judging from the old boards, but we started right at this section right here just to kind of get an angle of how we wanted the fence to be in front. I did not tear down the fencing because the old one, because the 4x4s were actually pretty sturdy. So yeah, we didn't do anything like that. So yeah, just keep watching at that. I know it's a lot of sun, but yeah, we're about to head back to Home Depot because we're gonna try to finish this off so that when we get there, because we do have to put we kind of have to stop from here because we have to put a 2x4 from here in front, like in front of there. So we need to get 1, 2, 3 pieces of 2x4. And then once we do that, then we can finish them coming this way. It's probably gonna take us like today and tomorrow or whatever, but yeah, all this is gonna be covered up. And this fence post that used to be here is gonna be gone. Yep, there goes Benjamin. He's been outside the whole time. Look at all my vegetables. We're gonna have us a nice little vegetable garden over there. Yep, and back there we're gonna have something back there. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Anyway, off to go to Home Depot. Talk to y'all in a bit. A few items from Sephora. I didn't realize they had a VIB sale recently, and I went on there to look for a few items. And so when I come back later on, we'll do an unboxing so you guys can see what I picked up. I kind of picked up some new products I've never used before. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay, let's see what we got in our Sephora's. We have, I wanted to try the Necessaire products to see what it gives, because I see all these people using it and promoting it. So this is the Body Ritual, and it's a set. I prefer to, when I try things like these, I do a set. And it has the body exfoliator, the body wash, the serum, and the lotion. And we'll try this out and see what this gives, you know? We'll try this out and see. I also got some free samples. This is replica something. Y'all can see there, replica. It's perfume. Oh, this is smaller than I thought it would be. So I wanted to try that Skin Fix, and I thought it was bigger than that. This was not cheap. Okay. I don't know if I want you. And then I also, when I buy certain things, I don't like to buy the whole brand unless it is in a set like the first one. But I wanted to try this out. This is Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I don't have that kind of skin, but I just wanted to try that. And then I also picked up, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh yeah, this is the, you know, Winnie Harlow from America's Next Top Model, the Trini girl from Canada. This is her brand called K Skin, and it's a sunscreen or like an oil. I saw Jackie Aina using it the other day, And so I was like, ooh, let me go pick that up. This wasn't pricey at all. What is this? This is some kind of Kiehl's, you know, the free sample things they give you. And I think that was it. Yeah. And I got some credit card thing. I don't do that stuff from stores. But yeah, love that. That's what we got in our Sephora haul, and they weren't expensive. I think this one kind of surprised me because of the price. I thought it was like bigger, but I don't know. I just wanted to try it out and see. I'll let you guys know what I think of it, if I decide to keep it or just take it back. Anywho, that's all, guys. Bye, guys. Okay, we came back to Home Depot to grab another 60 so that we could finish off the fence. If you were not doing it like privacy where you were putting them close, you wouldn't need so much, but we're actually doing a private fence, so we need them very close to each other. So that's why it's taking 140 of these on one side, and then when we get ready to do the other side, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive because that side doesn't have a fence, and so we're actually going to have to buy the posts and then also get these to put in there. We might buy some more like extra just to have, because we're not starting the back fence. I don't think I said that we're not starting the back fencing. Like I was saying, we're not starting the back of the fence just yet. We're probably gonna take some time away from that because that's pretty perfect. The only thing we're gonna do is there's a little hole in there, like one of the posts were broken, and so we're actually going to put up one just to kind of replace that for right now. But the back fence is gonna take a minute before we actually get it started. But this one, I'm so happy with the progress we made. Miss Big did a really great job putting it up. And then we're gonna start doing our raised beds. Are we doing our raised beds this week? Or next weekend we're doing our raised beds? I think next weekend we're gonna do our raised beds. So yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get back home so I can show you the finished product of that side of the fence. Bye, guys. Y'all, I have been, well, we've been outside all day. We're almost finished with the fence. I'll show you guys in a minute. I just came back in because I had to bring Benji back in. As you can hear, he's enjoying his water because he's been outside with us for about a good 2-3 hours. I went to Walgreens to refill my prescriptions. And let me tell y'all, this one was $100 and something. But I used Good RX as a discount, and I got $40 off of it. And then the other one, I think I got like $15 or something like that. So yeah, I did pick up some stuff from Walgreens too. I picked up these nails so I can redo my nails. And I needed some better eyeliners, and so I picked up these from Wet n Wild. This one is microbrow pencil crayon. I don't know, but it's like a brownish color. We'll try it out. And then I also wanted to try some lipsticks, so I got the Maybelline Lifter. And I actually have this one, but a different shade. This one is 005 Petal. And then this one is one of those Super Stay ones. And this one is in 160 is the number on this one. And then I picked up the True Match L'Oreal in cappuccino. I'm just trying it out. I don't know if it'll work, but we're just gonna test it out. It's been a while since I've used True Match, and so we shall see how this works. But let me turn y'all around so I can show you my little steak. Yeah, I'm making skirt steak tacos. That's what we're having tonight for dinner, because we ain't really trying to cook and do much. But it is almost 7 o'clock, probably like minutes to 7, and we should be finished in about a good 20 minutes, and then we're not completely finished. I also picked up a black eyeliner pencil, but yeah. So I got some skirt steaks from Aldi's, and I cut it up. That's a jalapeno. I split down the middle in half. So one's on that side and the other one's on this side. And so what's gonna happen is this is gonna cook in my cast iron, and it's gonna cook down, and I'm gonna have it. Now, to tenderize the meat, I use balsamic vinaigrette because it's steak, it's red meat. There's onions, bell peppers, and street taco seasoning. This is the taco seasoning that I found at Kroger. McCormick street tacos, carne asada, and I actually love it. It was like $1.99 or something. So I'm gonna let this simmer and cook for about another hour and a half or an hour. Get it all tenderized, put some salt and pepper in there, and we should be good to go. And we'll have, so I'm gonna slow it down a bit. I got it down to 6, and we're gonna do that. Let me kind of do this way. Yeah, this is a lot better. I kind of got you guys facing forward, so yeah. I got some water in the freezer. Let me get that cold, but let me head outside so that I can show you guys the progress we have actually made. Benji's not going back outside because Benji's been out there for like forever. And yeah, my camera is upstairs somewhere. That's why you guys are on the actual thing. So I'll flip you around and show you. Look at the progress. That's all we have left over there. We got a few more pieces in the truck, but yeah. We have a few to put back in. Down there, that one didn't fall out. We kind of had it as a placeholder because it's a little tree stump is down at the bottom, and we got to cut it out. So Big's gonna figure out. That was here. There was like this big pipe right here. And so we kind of did like a triangle. It's not the greatest, but it'll hold up for the tornadoes. And, but yeah. Yep. And there goes. Makes incredible, comfortable, stylish. He's listening to his podcast. Francine, say hi, peoples. We are officially complete. We just need to get this piece done, and then the one at the end, which, yeah, see, it has like a stump there. We're trying to get that done. And then I have to fix this one, because when we're done, we're gonna have to redo this side of the fence because it's all broken. But pretty much this is good. Look at Kingston, Jasper. So yeah, this fencing is gonna be last because we gotta start that side. We gotta start this side where that blue thing is. We gotta start that side. Cause yeah. And what can I do for you, mister? I know this is your little area, but this is my area too. Yep. Where is she? Jasper. Jasper. He's like, no, Missy, no. Okay. You guys, this is the taco. Almost finished. It's 8:02. Yeah, we're eating late because we were doing the stuff, the fence. But yeah, this is the meat, the steak tacos. I am doing it with some Spanish rice I picked. So I was like trying to cook long, so I just got this little pop in the microwave. I got some flour tortillas. We got some diced jalapenos to go on top. And then I also got some black beans, which I'm about to pop open and do that. Oh, and for when you're doing steak or pork, I like to squeeze half of a lemon in there, which I already did. Kind of cut the meaty flavor, too much of that meat and fat. So I'm gonna let that simmer. I'm gonna get a pot for the black beans, and I'm just gonna salt and pepper that and put a little bit of seasoning in there, and that'll be our side dish: beans, rice, and the tacos, and call it a night. This is the final product. We got mango salsa on top, black beans, my little 90-minute rice. I already took a bite out of it. Ooh, sour cream. It is a bomb. So a corn. And there goes Mr. Big's plate. Awesome sauce. Good night, guys.